Many years ago, I decided to use platforms like Teachable to host all my courses, but that was a massive mistake because I didn't realize that LearnDash had so much flexibility. In fact, I ran it on my own website and I was able to make a total of $61,000. So what I'm going to show you today are the reasons why you need to use WordPress to sell your online courses. So let's start off with number one, flexibility. Now with LearnDash, you are able to go in and install plugins that make your website work like a machine. So first of all, let's head over here. So I've gone ahead and installed Fluent CRM. So if you install Fluent CRM on your LearnDash website, you'll be able to automate your emails. Now let me show you how. For example, if I come over here to automations, I can come over here and create a brand new automation. Now, do you notice that we have a dedicated item here called LearnDash? I can trigger any one of these automations. So let's say, for example, someone enrolled in a course. I can trigger an automation. Or let's say someone has purchased a course. So for example, here I can say order completed. I can click on continue. And then over here, I have to target my products. So I have a course called Knit Like a Pro, and then I can click on Save Settings. Now, do you see that this new student here is my first trigger? When someone purchases the course, I can go in now and add additional operations. So for example, I can set a goal or an action, and this could be maybe a welcome email, and I can compose my email over here. Now, there's many things that I can do as well. For example, I can click here on this plus button here. I can remove from lists. I can apply a tag by coming over here, and on the emails here, I can enroll to a course. I can set a campaign. I can set email sequences. I mean, there's a lot I can do here. I can also create a WordPress user just by doing this. So just this one tool, Fluent CRM, allows me to automate everything that's happening on my website. And this is super powerful. Now let's talk about something else here. And that is when someone is purchasing a course, the flexibility that LearnDash gives you is amazing. You can either use their own landing pages to purchase the courses, or you can actually use third-party software like, for example, you can use WP Funnels for this. Now let me show you how that works. So again, I've gone ahead and installed it. So I can click here on funnels. So let's say you want a process that people go through to purchase your course. They can go through something that looks like this. This is a buyer's journey. So here is the buy now. We have the checkout. You can have an upsell if we want to. We can have a thank you. We can have a downsell. So as you can see, this works really well with LearnDash. Now let me show you what the page looks like. So let's say someone comes onto this page, which has all your courses, and they want to purchase this one right here, Knit Like a Pro. If they click on enroll now, this now takes them to this page where it shows them more information about the course. And then when you click on take this course, this is where the funnel kicks in. So this now is a totally customized page, which can be designed using Divi, and you can really do whatever you want here, make it look beautiful. And when they click here, I'm ready to upgrade my skill. Now they're taken onto this page. Now this is the checkout page. Now do you see how easy this is? The pricing is here. If you have, let's say, any additional notes, you can add them over here. And all you need here is the first name, last name, and email address. So as you can see, this is super powerful. You can make your page or your website look however you want. And this is something that really made me earn a lot of money because I incorporated upsells and downsells onto my website in order for me to increase my order value. So this is amazing. Now let's talk about LearnDash itself. Like, how does it present all its information? So first of all, I want to show you here by going to our dashboard how we can present all our pages. Now in this case, I'm using Divi, so we are able now to take a look at this site and really see how you can construct all our pages. So if I come over here to all courses, for example, now remember in the previous screen, I showed you how you can purchase it. Now, if you're logged in, this is what it looks like. It has all the information it needs. If I click on continue to study, instead of taking me to the payment page, it's taking me to the course page. Now look at how beautiful this is. In fact, I've done a tutorial showing you how I managed to put this website together. I will link that in the video description below. Okay, so with this setup here, I can go in and start learning. So let's say, for example, I come over here and click on welcome. Now, do you see this interface here? It looks really nice. I can collapse it over here to the left, and over here to the top, I can go to the courses home. I can mark as complete. So this is a distraction-free learning system. And I really, really like this. Now, there's also other features that we can add onto this. So let's say you have a course and you want to give points. You can go back over here to the main course settings. So I'm going to come over here to my dashboard, and let's say we go to LearnDash courses. Now you have to specify which course it is. So in this case, let's go to this one here. I'm going to click on Edit Like a Pro. Knit Like a Pro. And now we have the ability to go in and make so many changes on this actual course itself. So if I come over here to settings, now you'll notice that if I want to give points, I can say, okay, course points, activate that. I can say required to access 0, but award on completion, maybe I can give them 100 points. And these points can show on their profile page. Okay, so over here, I can enter my course access expiration like that. So access period, maybe it's 90 days. So you can see here that there is so much that we can add here. Now, remember, I spoke about Fluent CRM. Now, do you see how Fluent CRM is also here? I can add some tags here. So let's say someone enrolls on the course. I can add a tag here, which says such and such has enrolled. I can also apply a tag when someone completes the course. So do you see how complex this now, in fact, not complex, but it becomes very exciting. So let's say you want to trigger a sequence of emails when someone completes the course. All you have to do is to add the tag over here. Now, once you've added your tag here, then the emails are going to be sent out to that person that has just completed. And all this is happening automatically. You don't have to go in and make any manual changes. So that can be an email that encourages them to go to another course at a discount. So do you see how powerful this system now becomes? And this is what you get when you use LearnDash with other tools. So LearnDash allows us to have all these plugins work seamlessly, and this is super amazing. All right, so we have more things here. Let's say you have course materials. You can add all your course materials here. You can also give out a certificate, but it has to be designed first, of course. And over here, you can make your course content visible, or you can only make it visible to someone that is enrolled. So all these are options that we can have. We can set it to free form over here so that anyone can just go in and choose whatever lesson they want to go through without completing the first one first. Okay, now over here on the bottom, it also gives you a list of all users that are enrolled. So as you can see, there is so much that you can go in and do. So if you're serious about setting up an online course website, which will make you a lot of money, then LearnDash is a system that I highly, highly recommend. Now, the other thing that I also like about LearnDash is it works with any page builder. It can work with Gutenberg, it can work with Divi, it can work with Bricks Builder, pretty much any builder you can think of out there, it works with it. So it provides a lot of flexibility. Now, when it comes to payment options, by default, it has Stripe and PayPal, but you can also install WooCommerce, and WooCommerce now pretty much opens the doors for everyone to use whatever payment gateway they want to use, because there are some countries which don't accept certain payment gateways. So as you can see, this is super powerful. I will leave a link to LearnDash in the video description below. So if you're thinking of setting up an online course website that is very, very easy to use, very, very easy to customize, then I highly recommend you go with LearnDash. I'll be doing a lot of tutorials here to also help you if you get stuck setting up your system, because it may look very complex, but if you know what you're doing, it makes things easier. So if you purchase LearnDash using my affiliate link, you can ping me and I can help you with setting up your system. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again in the next one. Take care.